Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of the Beats Solo 4 headphones and a quick overview of this device. So first of all, let's take a look on the box because we can also find here some information. On the reverse, we can find information that we can find here the battery for around 40 hours. We get enhanced Apple and Android compatibility. We can also connect these headphones wired because we can find here some cables, and also we get a case included. So let's go inside. We have to actually get rid of this part. There we go. That's how it looks inside, the Beats Solo 4. That's the case. Right here we can find some paperwork, but it's nothing interesting, so I'm gonna put it back. And now let's focus on the case. Okay, it's the normal material case, nothing special, but it feels actually waterproof. Maybe it is. Let's go inside. And here we can find headphones. There we go. So they actually looks the same like Beats Solo 3, I believe. Okay, there's some sticker that we can remove. There's the button, the USB-C port, the headphone jack. We cannot actually fold them. Oh, we actually can, never mind. But we cannot rotate, like for example the Sony headphones. And inside we can also find some cables. This is the USB-C cable, double USB-C cable. And right here we can find the headphone jack cable, the double headphone jack cable. And I guess that's all. Yeah, there's nothing more here. So that's it, the quick unboxing of this device. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.